Pressure washer's ready. Let's get the hose over to the hull. Over here, stack the containers for the debris. Good pace, keep it going. Hose is ready. Let's get this started. Stack the metal crates by the truck. Pressure washer is primed, moving in. Look at this corrosion. It's spread to the frame.
We need to test the integrity of these welds.
Agreed. Let's log it. Lift on 3, ready? Clear the path, watch your step. To the truck, keep it moving. Grab the sofa, lift on 3. Watch the edge, it's sharp. To the truck, clear the path. Careful with that edge, it's sharp. Got it, moving to the next frame. Careful with that shard, it's sharp. Frame straightening up, keep going. Rust is coming off clean now. More pressure on the upper decks! Roger, shifting now! Look at that grime coming off! Keep it steady! Pressure up, hit the lower hull. Copy, moving higher now. Watch the spray. Keep good progress, team. Almost clear. Keep it steady on this section. Moving to the next panel now. Pressure's good, keep it steady. Move up to the next section. Looking smooth, one more pass. That beam overhead. Jump back, line. Clear the path. More panels coming down. Wiring's loose. Hold steady. Watch the sparks. Keep clear. Cut the beam. We need it down. Panels loose. Get the container. Almost through. Next section. Ground wires to the panel. Yes, then run the neutrals up here. Feed's clear. Pulling through. Copy that. Ready. Ground wire secure, moving to the live feed. Okay, pulling the bundle up now. Drilling the conduit, almost through. Need the blue cables handed up? Yeah, bring them over. Panel's live, check the voltage. Copy that, running the main line now. This bundle is set, moving to the next. Good, keep it tight. This joint is seized, cutter, got it, pulling now. Align the new one. Wrench ready, tightening, good. Check the seal. Sparks flying, watch your eyes. Panel set, need the next one. On it, grabbing studs now. Good progress, keep it steady. Will do, almost framed. This plank's in, next. Cutting now, watch the dust. This tile fits, leveling. Looks good, keep it straight. This side's almost done. Great, I'll start on the upper panels. Spray's covering fast. Okay, let's slide this one into position. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Looks good. Let's check the others. I'll check the floor.